Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to export and import a bookmark from Chrome browser. So if you're wondering what is bookmarks, so that's just when you save a website in your browser. When you save it, it shows up here. For example, if I go to cna.com and hit enter, and if I want to save the shortcut on top there, I just click on start and save it on the bookmark bar. So when you do that, when you go to a new tab, you can see it now here. If I want to go there, I just click on here and it take me there. So let's say maybe you have a new computer and you want to export all your saved website to the new computer. So to do that is pretty simple, but it's a little bit tricky. And before I do that, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips in the future. Alright, let's go ahead and start doing it. So to do it, just click on the top, those three dots on the top right corner, and go to bookmark and go to bookmark manager. And then from here, you just click this one, those three dots in the blue area, and go to export. So now just select where you want to save it. I'm gonna save mine in the download folder. You can change the name if you want to. So this one exported as a HTML document. So just click on save, and that's it. And if you want to import it in a different computer, you have a file, just go ahead and send the file to yourself through email. Or maybe you want to send it to somebody else who like your bookmark or something. You can do it that way. But to import it, you just go back to the same thing but a little different. Go back to three dots and go on bookmark, and here you have import bookmark and setting. So just click on here. So here is asking you where you import it from. So for us, we just imported from the Chrome browser. So we can scroll down. Because we had the HTML file, select this one. But if you exported it from different browser, you exported it from Microsoft Edge, select this one. From Mozilla Firefox, select this one, and so forth. So me, I just select this one and click choose file and go select the file while I save it. When I save it in download folder, just select it and click open. So yeah, just click on done here and you're all set. So now if I go to new tab and I see here imported, those are all the bookmarks that I just imported. I click on it, I can see all the things imported, and that's it. That's how you do it. And yeah, I hope this helps somebody out there, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace.